Booyah! Alright, well, here we go. You got what? You got some peas?
We could be talking fast because our camera's about to die, so we just want to tell you guys. So,
let's take a quick look at the box. Let's do the box like we do. Limited edition, beach trash, which we talked about. Yada, yada, yada. Limited edition, glow in the dark trashies, y'all. Got a game booklet. We just did a box. We just cracked open our first 12 pack. So we wanted you to see that. Hold this. Okay. And then Jackson's gonna open this one with brother helping, right? Yeah! Okay, there we go. The two bros going at it together.
okay.
Alright, Jackson, you get a bin. Grab yourself a bin and see which one you get.
We got this fish dude.
Okay, let's see.
That is...
Oh, cool. I think we got this guy already. Yeah, he's like, isn't he?
Oh, yeah. We got that guy before that. We got confused.
I forget what his name is. We'll look up his name here in a little bit and do a name video. What'd you get, Jackson? Who'd you get? You got a, oh, we get this one of our dupes. Here we go. You got it? Alright, Jackson's got it. Alright.
This hot dog guy.
Oh, look at this guy. There we go. Who's next? I'm gonna crack another bin open. Do them this way, Jackson. Look, like this.
No.
Alright, let's see, brothers. What do y'all got?
That cabbage guy again.
Alright, we got the cabbage guy in orange. There he is.
What'd you get?
What'd you get,
Hey,
Jack?
we got that mini
You got a
guy.
little bitty guy. Let's see who you got.
That was...
Jackson got this tiny little
That's
guy.
a dupe.
Guy. My dad.
His name is Grotthopper.
Grotthopper. In this little bitty hand, there's a little bitty trashy. Very good. Alright, guys, so we've got a good assortment going on our Series 4 collection. We obviously got to clean the trash out and get in close and show you all the guys that we have so far. We've got another 5-pack, I believe, that we'll do in another video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you're crazy about trashies. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you're digging on the new series. Do you like the bins shape the most? Do you like the new type of characters they've put out?
I love the new type of character.
I like the biters. I think the biters are sweet. So, anyways, let us know in the comments below, you guys. Make sure you subscribe and see us in the next trash pack video where we'll be opening another 5-pack. Okay?
Yes.
See ya! Say subscribe, Jack. Jack, say subscribe. Subscribe. Alright, guys. Bye. See you in the next one.